You know, I have a lot of videos on insulin resistance, but I just realized I don't have any videos on the symptoms of insulin resistance, so I decided to do a video on that. So let's go through all the symptoms of insulin resistance, which, by the way, is probably one of the most common problems on this planet right now. I would guess to say that at least 60 to 75% of the population has insulin resistance, or some form of it. Even people that are pre-diabetic and definitely diabetic also have insulin resistance. All right, first symptom is frequent urination at night. You have to get up several times a night, which really is going to mess up your sleep. Completely unnecessary if you know what to do to reverse insulin resistance. Number 2, frequent hunger, a need for a snack between meals and at night. Number 3, the need for a nap after eating, especially after lunch. Number 4, not satisfied after eating. You might be stuffed, but there's something missing, because when you have insulin resistance, the cells can't pull in nutrition. So the cells are literally starving of nutrients, yet you just ate a big meal. Number 5, you crave carbohydrates in the form of breads, pasta, cereal, crackers, biscuits, waffles, pancakes, muffins. Okay, number 6, you have low endurance when you exercise and you're tired. Number 7, you have belly fat. That's probably one of the biggest indicators of insulin resistance. If you look down and you cannot see your feet, that means you have insulin resistance. Oh, and by the way, there's something called skinny fat, where you have fat around the organs and you don't necessarily see it on the outside. That's definitely an insulin resistance situation too. Number 8, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, low HDL, and high LDL. Number 9, high blood pressure. The arteries get stiff. Number 10, a fatty liver, which then spills off and forms fat around the gut. Number 11, polycystic ovarian syndrome. When you have insulin resistance, you have high insulin. High insulin converts to high androgens. It can also create a lessening of the production of breast milk if you just had a baby. Number 12, dark folds on the back of the neck, armpits, groin. And it could be just a darkened velvet texture type tissue. 13, cysts, like in Baker's cysts. Back of the knee, could be anywhere. Number 14, skin tags. 15, high blood glucose. Now, I'm not just talking about extremely high blood sugar. I'm talking about even if the blood sugar is, let's say, 90 or 100, we want to get it 80 or less. Like even when you're doing fasting or you're doing keto for a period of time and you really adapted, your blood glucose, because you're not eating carbs, should go down to 70, 60, sometimes high 50s. And if you feel fine, it's not hypoglycemia. It's your new normal. Now, also, you're going to have high insulin. And this is creating a lot of these problems as well. Of course, you'd have to test for that. The test that you'd want to do is this. HOMA-IR. You can ask your doctor. Number 16, inflammation as well as pain. And it could be as any type of itis, bursitis, tendinitis, arthritis, stiffness in the joints, and of course pain. 17, sleep apnea. 18, a slow metabolism. If you have this set point where your body cannot get below a certain weight, we know there's insulin resistance, because high insulin is the switch that keeps you from burning fat. 19, memory problems, dementia. 20, you're moody, irritable, grouchy, could be depressed as well, anxiety. 21, loss of muscle mass. It's because your cells can't pull in the amino acids anymore. Also, you're going to have a loss of joint tissue, collagen. That's all protein. So your joints will tend to fall apart. 22, you can't absorb nutrients. Not only can you not absorb amino acid, but you're going to have difficulty absorbing potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and vitamin D. 23, increase in sympathetic nervous system. So you may find that you're always in a state of flight or fight. Just by reversing this is going to calm down your stress. A couple symptoms of this would be a lack of sleep, inability to relax, decrease stress tolerance, and you get up too fast and you're dizzy. 24, acne, which is one of the symptoms of PCOS. 25, low testosterone. 26, prediabetes. So if you have prediabetes or you're diabetic, you have insulin resistance. 27, fatty liver. 28, poor focus or brain fog. There you have it, the complete list. Thanks for watching.